Today we're taking a closer look at the Pentax KX, a compact DSLR that made waves back in its time for packing serious performance into an affordable, beginner-friendly package. Design build: the Pentax KX is a lightweight DSLR, weighing around 580 grams with battery and card, making it easy to carry around. The body is made of polycarbonate, but it feels solid and durable in hand. One thing that made the KX stand out was its fun color options. Sensor image quality: the KX features a 12.4 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. While 12 megapixels may sound modest compared to today's standards, the sensor delivers excellent sharpness, natural colors, and good dynamic range, autofocus performance. The camera uses an 11-point SafeOx 8 autofocus system, with 9 cross-type sensors. Autofocus is reasonably fast and accurate for everyday use, though it can slow down a bit in low light. Video recording: the Pentax KX also includes 720p HD video recording at 24 frames per second. While video wasn't its strongest feature compared to today's hybrid cameras, it was a nice addition at the time. Overall, for someone looking for a budget-friendly DSLR with excellent image quality, classic controls, and access to tons of lenses, the KX is definitely a solid option on the used market. Thank you so much.